Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on departure reminders in the Planes Live application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And at the custom settings section, click on the notifications button. And at the departures section, look for the reminders button. And in order to enable it, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turned green, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.